I'm Tanya Zapkuna, and welcome to 3-Minute Data Science. What is machine learning? Machine learning is an iterative method of fitting models. Let me break it down for you. Models are essentially formulas. They depict relationship between inputs and output. The relationship is usually constructed by the modeler as some sort of a formula that has coefficients or weights. Finding those correct weights is called fitting a model. So there are two basic ways to find those weights. One of them is to solve an equation and derive the weights directly from the data. A second type is when you guess what the weights are, and then you use a certain algorithm that helps you make a better guess, and then even better guess. So it's a process of educated guessing. And it's an iterative process. And this is what machine learning is. It's iterative method of fitting models. Why do we call it learning? Because during those iterations, what we call train the model, and it learns the weights. Thus, machine learning. What are the types of machine learning models? There are several breakdowns that we can do. The first one is, what is the output of the model? Sometimes the output of the model is some sort of a group or categorical variable. For example, those are cats and those are dogs and those are turtles. So those would be classification models. An output of a model could be some sort of continuous variable, for example, a temperature forecast or a stock price forecast. Another breakdown of models could be neural networks versus everything else. And I'm doing this breakdown for you because neural network is a group of models that has been developing very fast in the last years, and they're used widely in artificial intelligence. And they can be very complex. So, and the last breakdown is what is usually used in the industry. It's supervised versus unsupervised learning. And supervised learning is a model where you know what the output is or should be, and you train in the model to recognize that. And unsupervised is when you don't know what the output is, and you're asking the model to make the best guess what it should be. So a good example of unsupervised learning is a clustering model, where you don't know how many clusters or how they should be spread out, and the model decides for you, and then with the help of the modeler, what the best breakdown is. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.